Some of the YouTube videos are so long, they're painfully long. They could be 52 minutes, 10 minutes, 18 minutes, you see 33 minutes. These are really long videos. I mean, I wouldn't like to watch a video more than 5 minutes, but in some situations there is so much to say that if I remove some of the information, then the video becomes a bit shallow, and I don't want to make shallow videos. I don't want to give you the impression that you can do it while you didn't really get the idea. Everything is there, all the information I can make for you is here. And this is some other YouTubers, they also do this. So there is a thing about the YouTube app and player on a phone or on the computer. You can slow down the video. If there is a part where the video is speed up too fast, you can slow it down to 0.25x even. But you can also speed the video up from the controls, really, from the settings. Also, you can change the quality of the video if you can't see very well. Now, recently, they don't show the full quality. In advance, you can show higher quality. And look, now it's faster speed, 1.5x. If the video doesn't have music on it, it's very easy to watch it like this. You can actually watch this video on 1.5x, try that. Subtitles now, YouTube really makes them auto-generated. It's amazing, and they're very accurate actually. They can even do automatic translations. It's great. If the video has chapters, you will be able to scroll with the bar from one chapter to another. The chapters are very useful. Takes a bit of time to make them, but it's really useful to split a long video into subsections, like a chapters in a DVD. It's exactly like this. The next thing, I hope they will have the multiple languages tracks, but okay. You can double tap on the right side of the phone and it increases the skip length. 2 taps, it's I think it's 10 seconds, but you can keep tapping. You see, you keep tapping and you can skip back 70 seconds or forward. If you tap on the left side of the phone, you go back. If you tap multiple times on the right side of the phone, you go forward. This is navigation controls to make it easy for you to find the essence of a video that you want to watch. Some videos like this one, where it shows you how to apply a screen protector, it's really important to watch the whole video, even if it's long. There might be some tips that you would not see or hear if you skipped some part, and not always everything, all the information is in one place. So yeah, it's up to you, but I would watch as much as possible from a video like this. Some other videos where it's just a bit of a talk, you can skip it. The best option is to use the speed, fast speed, so you can see, make sure that you didn't skip anything important. When you hear someone talk in the video, you can understand what they say. Also, when you scroll the bar like this, left to right, if you lift up, you see I lift up a bit, holding. There is this thumbnail browsing mode. Actually, I didn't even know about this. I just discovered it while I was doing it. And you can see thumbnails and browse very precisely to the second. So the trick is hold and up. And because when you hold and go left and right, you will skip left and right. So like this, if I go up, it's like a more accurate mode. Before they had something similar, but it wasn't so precise with those thumbnails. Like here is the best part, it's the most interesting part of this video, when the screen protector is applied. Thankfully this was successful. But there are more tips before and after. And also on the subtitles, you can use auto translations. other than the speed. You can increase the speed like that, and you can use automatic translations. Now they have really, like, you can have the video translated in any languages, really so many languages. So if I go to settings, and here on the captions I can choose auto translate into French. The translations might not be accurate, also the subtitles might not be 100% accurate, but for a how-to video like this, it's good enough, I think. I mean, you get the idea. If it's a word that's misspelled, it's happening, it happens, but you have it there. You can watch with French translation, German subtitles. I think really this is amazing to be able to have automatic captions. Before we used to make some captions for some videos, and it's very difficult, it's not easy at all, and now it's just there. Hopefully you can watch videos faster. The biggest tip I can give you is watch videos on 1.5x, 175x, because many people, they take their time when they talk. Guilty. I take my time also when I speak, when I make the videos, and if you watch my video on 2x, I think you will understand it perfectly. The voice, everything sounds normal when you watch it faster. Let me know how you watch the videos on YouTube and what tips you have. Thanks for watching.